How to unlink PSN account from Genshin Impact. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. In this video, I will guide you on how you can unlink PSN account from Genshin Impact, so watch this video till the end. First thing you want to do is open Gmail or any other mailing application. Then you want to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, tap on the Compose option. Here, you want to compose an email for the Genshin Impact support team. For that, in the To section, you want to type genshin_cs@hoyoverse.com. Next, you want to type in the subject, which should be PSN Unlink account. Now, in the mail, you basically want to say that you want to unlink your PSN account from Genshin Impact, and you also want to enter all the details about your PSN and Genshin Impact account. Once the mail has been composed, you want to tap on this paper plane icon to send the mail. Once the mail has been sent, the customer support is going to contact you after some time and help you with the process of unlinking PSN account from Genshin Impact. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.